So for designing the Cotter joint, first we design the socket. So for that, first select the right plane and normal to, and then take a center line, draw it from the origin. Now select the line, draw the outer geometry of the socket, then draw the inner geometry of the socket. Now give the dimensions to it. So now you can see our sketch got fully defined. Now go to features and Revolve boss, and you can see the preview is shown to us, and click on OK. So you can see our socket outer body generated. Now we want to give the slot for the Cotter pin. Click on right plane, normal to, then draw the center line, then draw the line. Give the smart dimensions as 50 mm. Give the distance between this surface and the edge as 8 mm. Now we want to make the taper slot. For that, draw the geometry. As we know, the taper slot is of 1:30. So we convert that ratio in degree. Click on coincident, and as I said, we have converted that ratio in degree. So we got the answer as 3.80. So click 3.8. And now just complete this sketch. Now go to the features option, extrude cut, and select the mid plane and give the thickness as 10 mm. So you can see the slot is generated over here. So now save this part as a socket, and we move to the spigot. Now we are going to design the spigot part. So for that, use the same process. Select the right plane, then draw a center line and draw the outer sketch of spigot. Now give the dimensions according to your design. So you can see our sketch got fully defined. So simply go to the features option, Revolve boss, and you can see the preview is generated over here. So click on the OK. Now you can see the outer body of spigot is generated. So now we have to make the slot for the Cotter pin. So select again the right plane, normal to, draw a line from the center, give the dimensions as 50 mm, and give the distance between these two edges as 24. Now simply follow the process that we follow for the socket. Give the angle as 3.8 degree and go to the features and extrude cut from mid plane and select both this sketch. So you can see the slot is also generated over here. So at last, now we have to design the Cotter pin. So save this part as a spigot and move to the Cotter pin. So now for designing the Cotter pin, select the right plane, then draw the thickness as 50, give the length as 100 mm, make this as coincident, give the smart dimensions as 100 mm, make this center and this center as coincident, make this line and this point as coincident, and give the angle as 3.8 degrees. And draw the arcs, and then simply extrude boss to the thickness as 10 mm from the mid plane. So here our Cotter pin is also designed. So now we move to the assembly part of this Cotter joint. So for that, save this as a Cotter pin and move to the assembly. So click on the new option, then assembly, and then OK. Then go to the insert option browse and select our parts. All the parts are inserted in the interface, so make according to your purpose, make the parts as fix and float. Right click and here you get the option as a fix or the float. I will fix this socket and make other as a float. So you can see here the option of mate. What is the mate actually? It is similar to the relations that we give in the sketch part. So in this mate option we give the relation between the two bodies. So click on the mate option and give the relations between these two internal diameters as coincident and click on OK. Now click on this surface and this surface, both get mate automatically. Click on this surface and this surface, so you can see both get mate. So here there are different options of standard mate as coincident, parallel, perpendicular, tangent, concentric. SolidWorks select automatically according to our purpose. If you want to change, you can change it from here. Then there are the advanced mate as profile center, symmetric, width, path mate. So we are going to use this width mate. So click on width, select the width of this Cotter pin, then select the width of this socket slot, click on OK. Now select this surface and the inside surface. So you can see our Cotter joint is ready. You can see there are many options. Mostly we use the insert components and mate options. There are options like linear component patterns, then move components, reference geometry, bill of material, exploded view. We are going to use this option as exploded view. Select this part, move to this distance, then select this spigot, move upward, select this socket and click on OK. Then go to the assembly, right click, then click on collapse. Then again go to assembly, right click and go to animated exploded, and you can see the animations. You can play it again. This was the use of exploded view. So this way we have completed the Cotter joint and the basic of assembly. So thank you for watching videos. If you like these videos, please hit that subscribe button and the press bell icon near it, and stay safe and happy learning. Thank you.